ang mga mayaman ay puro greedy and selfish. Alam ko naman na hindi yan totoo. Actually, madami nga akong kakilala na mayayaman sa amin na super bait at super matulungin. They even donate to the church, give to the poor. Most of the time, hindi nila to pinapaalam. Pag nilapitan sila, whether kilala nila or hindi, they would always help, even in a small way. What I did not know though was that even if I have these generous friends, subconsciously, I still believe that the rich are greedy and selfish. Bakit? Dahil sa mga sine na pinanood ko when I was growing up. Diba? Ang mga bida ay laging mahihirap. Ang mga mayaman naman, sila yung nangaapi na kontrabida, right? So subconsciously, ayaw kong maging kontrabida. Gusto kong maging bida, isang mabuting tao. How about you? Gusto mo bang maging kontrabida? Siyempre hindi. Kaya pala, kailangan kong may mang-aapi sa akin. Kailangan kong makaranas ng mga matinding hirap para makaahon. Yan ang naging drama ng buhay ko. Kahit na alam ko in my brain that it's not true that the rich are greedy and selfish. What I later discovered was that these are my deeply seated beliefs that I was not aware of. And if I want my life to change, I needed to begin to be aware and learn how to change these beliefs effectively. Millionaire Mind Intensive. Diyan ako natuto. Ask me how below.